In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Hostinger email account in the simplest way possible. Whether you're accessing it for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through every step so you can manage your emails without any confusion. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to Hostinger's official website. You can type the URL directly into the address bar or simply search for Hostinger and click the official result. Once you reach the homepage, you'll notice how clean and intuitive the layout is, making it easy to find exactly what you need. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the Hostinger sign-in page where you'll enter your username and password. Make sure you have your correct login credentials ready. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the reset link to recover access instantly. Once you sign in successfully, you'll be taken to Hostinger's main dashboard, commonly known as the H panel. This dashboard is your control hub for everything: your hosting, domains, website settings, and of course, your email accounts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the panel, since this is where you'll manage most of your website operations. Next, look at the left side menu until you find the option labeled Emails or Email Accounts. Click on it to open the email management area. This section lists all the email addresses connected to your hosting plan. If you have multiple domains, double check that you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the email accounts area, you'll see a full overview of every email you've created. From here, you can manage passwords, create new accounts, adjust settings, or access other useful features. To open your email inbox, simply select the specific account you want to log into and look for the Webmail Access button. Clicking this will launch your Hostinger webmail interface. Inside Webmail, you can read and send messages, organize your folders, adjust your mailbox preferences, and manage your communication effortlessly. It's a simple, clean environment designed for productivity. That's all it takes. You're now logged in and ready to use your Hostinger email. While you're exploring, try checking out additional tools such as spam filters, forwarding options, or autoresponders depending on what you need for your workflow. These features can help streamline your communication even further. If you ever get stuck, Hostinger's customer support team is available around the clock, and their help articles cover almost every topic you might need. Don't hesitate to reach out if something doesn't seem right. Thanks for following along. Feel free to ask questions anytime, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Enjoy your emailing experience.